Hi guys, welcome back. This time we're gonna be making Pelliscadas. I have boiled, peeled, and mashed up my potatoes. Here on this pot I have chorizo. I've rendered its fat and it's nice and crunchy.
Yummy donut.
Now that we have our chorizo and potatoes ready, go ahead and add in your potatoes inside your chorizo. Give it a stir and our filling is ready. Today we're going to be using maseca. It's a corn flour. I added about 2 cups, a pinch of salt, and I added as much water as I needed. I added a little bit at a time until I got a perfect soft dough. Now here for me comes the fun part. A tortear se ha dicho. Go ahead and incorporate a small bowl into your hand, roll it around into a little ball, and start smacking it one hand to the other. It's a bit complicated at first, but you'll get the hang of it. With about 2 cups of maseca, I ended up making, I think, 8 or 9 little pellizcadas. Now, get ready to burn your finger. Literally, what you have to do while the tortilla is hot, you have to pinch the sides, the end, almost like when you're gonna do a apple pie crust. When you design the crust and with your fingers, that's kind of what you're gonna do here. Go ahead and pinch the outer layer, creating a border for your filling. Now, we place them all on top of a towel. I don't know why, but my grandma used to do it this way. As you see here, I grabbed a little pan, added about 1 inch of oil, and now I'm beginning to fry my pelliscadas. So now, I have a question for you. Do you know the difference between a sope and a pelliscada? Because technically, it's almost the same technique, but without the sauce. I could not help myself. I had to steal a little piece of pelliscada and put some filling and give it a taste, and oh my god, it was so good. Now for the part that I've been waiting for. Go ahead and add your chorizo and potato filling onto your fried and crispy pelliscada. I want to go ahead and add some lettuce, some cheese and some salsa. Now, one thing I forgot to tell you guys, I did add some onion, some chopped onion into my cheese. It made the whole difference in the world. So there you guys have it. Una pescada de chorizo con papa. It was so good, you guys. I recommend you guys try this recipe. It was super simple and easy. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye bye.